Mascot is the friendly face of a brand, a company, a community. Our idea begins with an animal character and a were pet to represent our hotel's location, an industrial zone. However, we were not set on what animal they should be. Then, our IHG Academy team member came up with a brilliant idea. Bees. Bees are hardworking and team players, just like the spirit of Jababeka. Our designer starts to bring this idea to life. That was how Holly and Lindy were born. Holly is a bee in green, a cheerful boy. Lindy is a bee in purple, a lively girl. Now, Holly and Lindy shall welcome guests to bring smiles at every corner of our hotel. We are proud to introduce Holly and Lindy as a part of our Holiday Inn Cikarang Jababeka family.